In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a video in Webflow, a popular website builder platform. Now, assuming you're at the stage where you have your digital content ready to go, let's dive right into the process. To begin, open your Webflow portal, head over to the workspace you plan to work on, and look for a certain plus icon. This plus icon usually signifies the addition of components or elements, and that's exactly what we are aiming for in this step. So find this plus icon and give it a click. When you've clicked on the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear with different elements you could add to your Webflow project. Now, out of all these elements, the one you should focus on is labeled as background video. Click on background video to proceed to the next step. After you've clicked on background video, you will be taken to its settings. The settings here allow you to configure how your video will act and perform once it's uploaded to your Webflow project. At this point, nothing needs to be configured or changed. Establish familiarity, and let's move on to the next step. Now that you've navigated through the settings, it's time to upload the video. Search for the Upload Video button, and upon clicking it, you'll be asked to choose a video file from your device. Select the pre-prepared video that you wish to play as the background of your Webflow project and upload it. Once your video has been uploaded, you'll want to ensure that it plays automatically. This is where the autoplay video feature comes in handy. It's time for you to look for and click on Autoplay Video. This feature enables your video to start playing as soon as someone lands on your webpage, creating an immediate and engaging user experience. To further enhance the user experience, another step you might want to consider is enabling the loop video function. This setting will make your video replay automatically once it has finished. The looped video will increase the chances of your content being viewed multiple times, thus increasing its impact. Look for the loop video setting and activate it with a click. Now your video is added, configured to autoplay and loop. The only thing left to do is save your changes. Always remember to save your progress often when working with tools like Webflow to avoid losing any of your hard work. Hit save, and voila! You have successfully added a video to your Webflow project. That concludes this step-by-step tutorial on adding video in Webflow. Happy building, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.